Hello guys! Sa video na ito, ituturo ko kung paano magkaroon ng KineMaster Premium without watermark ng libre na napakadali lang. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe upang maging updated ka sa aking mga i-upload. So, let's start the tutorial! First step, pupunta lang kayo sa inyong Google Chrome at i-search o i-type ang KineMaster Mode APK. So, maraming lumalabas na resulta sa ating sinesearch. So, i-click lang natin ang galing sa apkdan.com na site. So, i-click natin ito para ma-download. Click this. Click the download anyway. So, pagkatapos, i-install na natin ang dinownload natin kanina. So, let's open the app to prove it works. So, mag-add tayo ng video at music.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my...
Then, isave natin. So, let's see the result.
I'm sorry that I didn't hit you back when you call my line. Or did you even need to talk? Or you wasting time declining all your FaceTime calls? Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking.
Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching.